Hi, how are you? I hope you are doing very well. And you can see here, this is a nice canvas and the few color. I already put it on. And you can see this is a wooden canvas and some colors like the yellow, orange, and the transitions of the darker color within the white colors. And we're going to draw a line in the middle to start the drawing of our landscape. And this is going to be the separation points. Okay, so draw a straight lines like this in the middle of the canvas. Okay, and here you can see the uh, hilly land or some upper land you can see within the drawings. Okay, and also putting some colors here because it's the evening time, so everything looks darker, so the background is almost looking darker too. Okay, so the background is done, and we're going to draw a simple tree here, but let's first make the base here. And you can see the reflections on the water, and from this base just we are going to draw a straight line to upward directions. You can see the organic curve of the trees. And this is the base. Okay, base in the water, you can see some reflections around it, like few outlines around it, so it looks good better. Okay, and see the branches on the top. Awesome, see the branches on the top, so many branches. And it's like a very simple scenery, so that's why we're just putting the tree lines and the leaves on the tops like a bush. Again taking few black colors and just blending within the context. So because of the evening time, everything seems a little bit darker, and that's the main flavor of the drawing. So when you put the leaves, just connect it within the branches and try to maintain the whole outlines of the branches, like the whole all the connections, everything's okay. So it's like a Y shape, and it's almost done. Few reflections of the scenario on the other side, just you can put on the water like this. Just few reflections like this you can put here, and these are the grasses. And if you like, you can put a you know the moon, which is just rising early on the top, just putting the white color and try to make it as round as possible. All right, so this is it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.